In this video, we will see if Weberlo is the answer you've been looking for in 2025. So let's get started. So first and foremost, what is Weberlo? Have you ever wondered where your customers come from? Maybe they saw an ad on their phone app or clicked a link online. Weberlo is a special platform that helps you track everything. It's like a detective for your marketing. It's just something called marketing attribution to see which campaigns are bringing in the most people. This helps you know where to spend your money so your marketing work best for you. So to get started more, what are the top benefits of Weberlo? So here are some cool things Weberlo can do for you. For example, it comes with an easy integration with a smarter cookieless tracking and a better conversation tracking, which also helps you target the right people and also help you manage your budget wisely. So I'm talking about the best features. Weberlo has some really neat tools that make understanding your apps super easy. So these features help you see exactly what's working and what's not, so they can make informed choice about your money. So let's check them out. So talking about this, you have one of the best features called ads tracking with organic attribution and customer journey. I'm talking about the pricing plan of this. We have different type of pricing plan. We have the free plan, which is the free trial, the light, the starter, the business, and the enterprise. And each of these has their price range. And if you want to know more about this price plan, you're gonna have to visit the Weberlo website just to get more about this pricing plan and not to decide which one is best for your business. So talking about the pros and cons, choosing the right tools is important. Looking at the good and the bad can help you decide if Weberlo fits your needs. So talking about the good side of the Weberlo, it's clear ads tracking is provided, a good organic contribution insight with a detailed customers journey views, and offer a helpful integration with other apps, and also provide an exact report for analysis. So talking about the downside, which is the bad side of this, is that the setup might take some time to understand, and also a higher tire plan can be costly, and the cookieless tracking is still evolving. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thank you.